So good evening. We are back again with a late upload. Here's what it is. After that Spence Crawford fight, my sleep pattern's been all over the gaff. But anyway, we are back again. Big up to everybody. I did miss an upload yesterday, my bad. But I am back again. The season is upon us. Transfer window shuts in about a month's time. There's going to be plenty of ups and downs, smiles and frowns. And plenty of players transferred in and out. Where's your club at? Are they ready to compete for a title? Are they going to get relegated? Leave it in the comment section. Make sure you are smashing the like button. Do it for the algorithm. I've just dropped a video about me saying that Arsenal have got no chance of the title. Go and check that out on the main channel. And Community Shield on Sunday. I'm looking forward to that, actually. It's been a bit weird without football, but I've actually enjoyed the break. I'm actually a little bit devastated the season's coming back, but we have had a touch. Big up the Victoria. I ordered some beers because in Spain after 10 o'clock, you can't get served beer from a shop or a petrol station. Same as cigarettes. So you have to order off Uber Eats or Just Eat or whatever it is. But they turned up with 10 of these. Charged me $17.25. Rip off. But whilst I was recording the video on the other channel, they ring my buzzer and they turn up with another 10 for free. I was like, bro, I've already... No. So 2 for the price of 1. Cheers. Happy days. We'll take 20 beer. I ain't doing all of them tonight, by the way. For you, oh, you're an alcoholic. Shut up. Yeah, I'm enjoying my summer. You should try the same. Oh, it's probably raining. Sorry. My bad. Anyway, Lukaku. Talk to me, darling. Lukaku, the biggest flop ever in Premier League history. £250 million this geezer has cost. When I dropped that video saying how much he had gone in fees and wages, £250 million. Oh, but he's got a 1-2 record in the Prem. Me. Look at his goals at all these clubs. He's won 1 FA Cup. And that was at Chelsea 11 years ago. That's all he's won in England. £250 million. One of the worst footballers I've ever seen. The biggest flop ever in Premier League history. And listen, it took a lot to gazump Mesut Ozil. £153 million he nicked out of my football club. For a couple of little no-look passes, a little goal against Ludogorets, and a bounce goal against Liverpool. And a couple of assists that led to nothing. So it would have took something special, especial, to gazump Mesut Ozil. But Lukaku has fully done that. £250 million he's cost. I can't believe it. It's mad. And this guy is now looking like he's going to go to Juve, a club that their fans racially abused him when he scored for Inter against them. I think it was a cup game. He's now airing Inter's calls, airing the players from Inter's calls, his teammates, because he wants to go to Juve. So now the natural thing will be Lukaku to Juve. Good luck with that, my friend. You're literally bringing it on yourself. I prefer not. Respect. I prefer not to speak. But Dusan Vlahovic going the other way, plus cash. Lukaku and cash for Vlahovic. Now, listen, there's a lot of people out there that don't watch Italian football but claim that they do. You don't. So stop gassing up Dusan Vlahovic. He is toilets, bruv. He is rubbish. Yeah. Same way they gassed up Noodles. Darwin Núñez. Oh, let's hype him up. He scored 36 goals in Liga NOS. Good one, mate. Good one. He's not very good. He'll bag goals this season because he's got a lot of attacking options. They've bettered their midfield, Liverpool. But Dusan Vlahovic is a bang average striker. Do you know what he reminds me of? Who was the geezer? What was his name? That was up front for Bayern Munich. What was his fucking name? It was right on the end of my tongue as well. Croatian or Serbian. I can't remember his flipping name. It's gone. Leave it in the chat. Tell me. He reminds me of him. Vlahovic. He reminds me exactly of him. Average footballer. Average goal scorer. Had one decent season. Everyone got hyped. Oh my God. He's linked to Arsenal. He's gone to Juve. He only wants Juve. Now he wants Chelsea. Like, make it all make sense. This guy, yeah. And listen, I would love to rewind time, yeah, and be a footballer in this era. Because you can be absolute garbage and nick a living for 10, 15, 20 years. Absolute garbage. Like, real talk, the amount of average footballers I see going for 50 mil, 60 mil. Mason Mount, prime example. Kai Havertz, prime example. 60 mil. You're mad. Plus wages. You're talking about 100 million quid package for each of them players. 100 mil for Mason Mount. Wow. Football's fallen, man. Oh, yeah, but the inflation, you know, that's how it is. I don't care. They don't make them like they used to, and now they're all just little programmed robots. Yeah? P&P, yeah, like system players, blah, blah, blah. The fact is, these footballers of this era are absolute crap. Now, let's just be real with it. All the older people that are watching this here, like, that have seen the proper ballers from the 80s, the 90s, the noughties, like, come on, this era of football is tapped. It is absolutely crap. Yeah, and I really wish that, listen, I love my daughter dearly. She's 14 this year. But imagine I had a 14-year-old boy this year, right? And he was 14 this year. Bro, that's my retirement fund right there. Yeah, I would be getting him playing football every single day. Every single day. Yeah, you're going to make it. Yeah, you best believe you're making it. Yeah, I will get you in somewhere. Yeah, you will get into Fulham, Chelsea, wherever. All you need to do is sign one professional contract. In fact, you don't even need to do that. Yeah, you don't even need to do that. Like, these kids now in the reserves, all busting out in Mercedes and Bentleys and all. Like, it's crazy, man. Football is absolutely finished. Yeah, the money's killed the game, honestly. And it ain't the beautiful game it used to be. It's now PR, lower the standards, nobody cares if we win, and just boost up my social media following. So then when I finish football, yeah, I've got all the followers and they'll buy my book, or they'll buy my clothing brand, or they'll buy whatever it is that I'm flogging. And that's it. Sad, really, isn't it? But yeah, just coming back to Dusan Vlahovic, bang average footballer. And I don't really see him doing well at Chelsea if he goes there. Is he an upgrade on Lukaku? I'm not so sure. I'm genuinely not sure. Yeah, Lukaku is not a very good footballer, but he's a big lad. He's strong, he's powerful, and he's semi-quick. Yeah, so he's always going to have a career. Yeah, he's a big lad, he's tall, and he can run fast. That's it. And because of the size of the guy, he will bully most people. Yeah, even the biggest centre-halves are going to struggle against him. Put him up against Van Dijk, he's still going to have a tussle with him. Yeah, it's still going to be hard work, a hard day for Van Dijk. Yeah, Van Dijk would like a Jesus up against him. Perfect. Technical little baller. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I can just nudge you out of the way. Ain't nudging Lukaku out of the way. Same with Vlahovic. Vlahovic, big lad, strong lad. Yeah, not very quick in my opinion. I don't think he's as quick as Lukaku. He's still half quick, but nowhere near an upgrade in my opinion. And for Chelsea to be looking at that when you've got Harry Kane around the corner, like, it's mind-blowing that nobody has bid for Kane. Like, I know Bayern are allegedly in talks. Yeah, that's just all hype on the internet. Yeah, I don't think Bayern Munich do want him. Yeah, and if they do, they can't afford him. So why haven't Chelsea gone for him? Why are they looking at Vlahovic? Is it cheaper to get rid of Lukaku and swap him with a bit of cash? Probably, but is it going to guarantee you a title charge? No. Harry Kane does instantly. You get Kane in Chelsea, instantly you're in the title charge. Yeah, because it's Harry Kane. That's it. It's Harry Kane. Harry Kane goes to Man United, title charge. Harry Kane goes to Arsenal, we'll probably win the league. Yeah, and it's kind of peak, yeah, that nobody's gone in for him. And I find it baffling, but it is what it is. Listen, let me know your thoughts and feelings on all of that. And leave it in the comment section down below. Get your super chats in, comments, likes, shares, all of that stuff. Is Lukaku the worst ever pound for pound Premier League player? Is Vlahovic an upgrade on him? Like I said, I don't think he is. And why is nobody going in for Harry Kane in England? Makes no sense. Genuinely makes no sense. English clubs are richer than the German club that are looking at him. Makes no sense to me. Yeah, I'd take Harry Kane in a heartbeat at Arsenal. Chelsea should be sniffing around him, yeah, like a guy in a cheap suit in a nightclub, sniffing around. I'm not going to say that. On that bombshell, we're out of here. Adios, amigos. I'll be back again tomorrow. Happy evening. Bye.